Alright, so we have this question on percentages. So this question is from percentages. Of course, this is one aspect of the SAT that must be assessed. Okay, this is one aspect of the SAT that definitely must be assessed. Okay, percentage. I know that you can do this. This is really quite simple, but if you cannot, let's just dive into it. You say this year enrollment in Mesa School District is 6,000, so which is 20% higher than last year. What was last year enrollment in Mesa School District? Alright, so 20% more, and you know what percentage? The percentage is actually percent. So cent is 100 cents make $1. 100 cents make $1. So percent is 100. Okay. Now, if it is 20% higher, that means we are adding 20. So if I assume that, let's assume that last year, if we say that last year enrollment, let it be X. Okay. So S is what last year enrollment. Okay. So which is what last year. All right. So we can call that what last year. Okay. Enrollment. Let me just for those who are probably enrollment. Okay. Enrollment. All right. Yeah. So last year enrollment. That's what we have there. Now. So it means therefore that 120%. Okay. Because it's 20% higher, so it means that is 120. Okay, you are dividing by what? By 100. 120% of what? Of X is equals to 6,000. That's just what that thing means. So it's really very simple. And of course, if this palm here, this will be 1 point. Okay, that would be 1 point. Okay, so that's 1.2. So that's 1.2x is equals to what? 6,000. Equals to what? 6,000. So it means therefore that S, which is what last year enrollment, is equals to 6,000. Equals to 6,000. Okay, divided by what? 1.2 divided by 1.2. Okay, so that will give us about what? 5,000. I mean 5,000. 5,000. Okay, so that will give us 5,000. Alright, so 5,000 persons actually enrolled into Mesa School last year. Is that clear? So this is really very simple. Okay. If you have not subscribed, please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Here we solve all the SAT where you can. But if you also want a one-on-one tutorial, please do not fail to contact us. We also handle English, okay, as well as the mathematics. But here our objective is to have that perfect score that we need to have that scholarship of our dream. Thank you. See you.